Let's dive into the brains of the guys and talk about the very first thing that they notice on a lady, from the emotions on her face when she walks into the coffee shop to the perfume she is wearing. And it's actually little things that we probably don't think men even notice, but it turns out they really do. So let's look at the first things that gentlemen notice about us ladies, so that we can always be sure we put our best foot forwards during the dating chance or making a good first impression on a date when we are living our best life just normally. And if you are new here, hello, welcome. This is a cheeky request to subscribe so you get notifications of more videos just like this. And also liking this video helps us know that we have done a good job. Stay tuned. Your nails. Depending on the personality of a guy, will depict if he likes your nails or not. For example, a guy focused on his career won't appreciate your long stiletto-shaped nails if he's a finance accountant, whereas a guy into fashion and modern world issues will like them. A guy looks at your nails as it helps him judge your character. Do you take pride in your appearance? Not always, but most of the time, a lady that takes care of her nails, meaning she doesn't let gel polish chip away into nothing, is someone that likes making themselves look and feel good. They notice your self-esteem. Come on ladies, we vet out the guys based on their self-esteem, right? We don't want to date an arrogant narcissist or a shy, socially awkward man. And it's the same for the opposite sex. They are looking at us to get a snap judgment of our confidence. So you can expect a gentleman to watch how we interact with strangers and how we walk around on our own. Because looking down at the ground when we are walking suggests we're feeling pretty uncomfortable in our own skin. But holding our heads up and taking pride in the way that we walk tells him we are confident about everything that we are. How happy you are. Guys want to be in long-term relationships with ladies that bring a happy vibe with them. So he is going to be looking out for your smile when you ask for your coffee order. He wants to know what your baseline emotion is when you approach him or when someone else approaches you. Your eyes. Did you know that subconsciously we look straight into someone's eyes when we immediately look at their face? It's something that's built into the human brain. And this explains why we sometimes end up looking at strangers on the tube, literally staring through to their soul, and we're like, oh God, this is so awkward. Why have I been staring at this man? A guy does this because he's trying to assess your overall personality with your eye gazes. Do you look into his eyes when talking or look away? Because maintaining strong eye contact tells a guy that you are confident and can hold yourself well in a conversation. Your hair. A guy takes everything in about your hair, the style, length, colour, how healthy it is, and how well managed. Different guys have different preferences on what hair type they prefer in a lady, but as an average assessment, a guy is looking at the health of your hair and judging you depending on how well it's maintained. So if you have an obvious huge root grow out, this could maybe put him off a little bit. Your skin. He is looking at your complexion, and naturally this is because his primal brain is looking at how youthful you are, so you are able to produce healthy offspring. So he's more attracted to that dewy, healthy glow because it means you will produce healthy, lovely looking babies. Your makeup. Us ladies, we wear makeup to make us feel confident. We don't do it for the guys. But makeup is something that guys do take note of. It will either capture his attention or it turns him away, because some guys may find lots of obvious makeup very off-putting and get a vibe that you are trying to hide your natural self. And it's been said that guys are uncomfortable with girls wearing lip gloss and lipstick because it makes them want to kiss us less, well, because they don't want to be wearing it. When you get excited, did you know that a guy naturally assumes that he takes credit for when you're happy? Weird, right? But it's true. When he sees you are super happy, it lights him up as well. So do not hold back and display your excitement to rewatch Squid Games for a third time and show off your excitement when your takeaway pizza is on the way. Men love to see you happy and smiling, so do it more often. Your body. I'm sure you saw this one coming, didn't you? A man is going to look at your overall body to identify if you are healthy and feminine. They are looking at the overall body ratio. For example, how tall you are, how slim or curvy you are. Every guy's preference is very different. But they are not looking at your tummy, they're not looking at your arms. And I have to say, after doing some research for this video, a common response from guys is actually, I really don't care if she has a bit of a tummy, it's kind of hot. So ladies, do not drastically change how you look thinking it's going to make you more attractive. As a lot of the time, what us girls are striving for to win male attention is not really what males want to actually see. Your finances. They won't be rooting through your handbag, so don't worry. They will be trying to assess how financially stable you are. So guys will look at how you dress, how you pay for things, and how you present yourself. Your social life. Men do not want a clingy girlfriend. They don't want someone that sits at home waiting for his calls. They want to date ladies that also have a strong social circle, as strong as his. So they will be intrigued and they will ask about your friends. They will monitor how often you speak to them via text or calls, and he would rather date a lady who has a secure social life. And as we know, we are the 6 people that we hang out with the most. So if you don't see anyone or have any form of social circle, it's going to raise his eyebrows as to think, she's a bit of a loner, this is strange. Your perfume. Exactly how guys' cologne can turn our heads, it's the same for men. They get a little bit weak at the knees over a floral feminine perfume. Not only that, but how you genuinely smell, your natural pheromones, can actually drive a man wild. He's noticing if you are ready to be loved. The older we get, the more dating experience we have because of the lessons we've learned. And just like the ladies, the guys are more cautious and qualify all the women they talk to make sure they are not going to be strung along in a depthless relationship. So he will judge you based on how you engage with other people, how kind you are, and how you react towards other men. He wants to know that you are capable of loving, but also being loved yourself. So expect him to notice when you have started to put your walls up. Your sense of humour. Men find it very attractive to be with a lady who makes them laugh and someone that they can relax with. A woman that is able to drop her guard and let out a roar of laughter is very attractive. It shows she's down to earth and able to connect to the present moment. She represents a fun life and someone that would make a great partner for when those times get rough. And a guy will notice how easy it is to make you laugh, how loud your laugh is, and what type of humour you find funny. Your smile. This ties in closely to the previous tip. He is going to notice your smile, and it will make him feel all warm inside when he sees you smiling. He's not actually looking at how crooked your teeth are or if there's a little bit of lettuce left in there from lunch. He feels a sense of happiness himself when you smile at him. A smile sends those friendly signals and shows him that you are a welcoming person.